This is the ASTRO Gaming A10 Gen 2 wired headset from the Stables of Logitech. It's said to be an improvement of the A10. I guess that's why it's called the Gen 2 or second generation. But how true is that? Stick around till the end of the video, which I promise will not be long. We have reviewed the previous model, which is the A10 on this channel. I will include a link to that review in the description. Please check it out so you can get a proper understanding of the differences in the models. I'll also include a link for you to buy the headset if you want it. Please use this link as you'll be supporting the channel and the projects we have going on to make this channel better for you. Enough said. Let's get into unboxing it. Are you ready? Let's go. There are a few differences in the design of the A10 and the A10 Gen 2. We're going to talk about them as we go. The headband is made of very durable plastic. It is hard yet bendable, sturdy yet very stretchy, and I love the matte feeling of the plastic used for this headset. Pretty much like the A10, it comes in 5 colors: white, gray, black, mint, and lilac. I like the variety of the colors and I chose the white one. Under the headband is a cushion made of soft foam wrapped with cloth material. The headband seems a little wider and shorter than the A10, and the side adjustment slide is different too. The A10 slides into the ear cups while the Gen 2 sticks out the side of the headband. The Gen 2 is more comfortable when you put it on, and the clamp force is lighter. I believe it's the change in the design of the headband. There are 2 things to this headset that I would like to talk about. Firstly, the design. The A10's ear cups look a little bent in at an angle because of the design of the headband. Also, the design of the ear cups create a little tilting motion to allow the earmuffs to cover your ears completely. The A10 Gen 2 is a huge improvement from that design. The Gen 2 isn't bent in, so the tilt of the ear cup stays better, and the design of the side adjustment make it seem like it gives you more allowance than the A10. There are no RGB lights on this headset, just simple paint design that I think looks good. The ear cups are square shaped like the A10, but unlike the A10, the ear cups are way smaller. It won't completely cover your ears. It barely covered mine, and I have very small ears. Though the earmuffs are soft and wrapped in the same cloth material as the headband, you might find it a little uncomfortable since it doesn't cover your ears completely. Secondly, the sound profile of the headset, in my opinion, is great, very much like the A10. Very well balanced, the mids and the highs perfectly balanced in my opinion. There is an extra boom and clarity in the bass that helps emphasize objects and directional sound position. Unfortunately, there are no customization features to tweak the sounds or something else you might like. The microphone is a non-detachable boom mic on the left ear cup. It is a flip-to-mute microphone and it is shorter compared to the A10's microphone. It is very flexible and bendable. The length of the mic might be a problem for this headset because even though the mic picks up your voice clearly, it lacks depth. Maybe because the length of the mic is not directly in front of your mouth like the A10. It is not a noise cancelling mic, but outside sound doesn't drown your voice out. Here's what it sounds like. Testing the microphone, testing the microphone. Howzit T.O.B family. This is a mic test of the Logitech ASTRO A10 Gen 2 gaming headset, and this is what it sounds like. I think it will sound better if the boom was longer, bringing the mic closer to your mouth, but overall, still a very good mic. Let's get back to the review. If you like the video so far, please click on the like button to support this channel with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. The headset has a detachable 3.5mm audio cable. The cable is long and a little bit thin if you ask me. There is an audio cable adapter provided. This headset is compatible with your PS5, your PC or your Mac, your Switch or your Xbox Series. Since there are no controls for this headset but a volume scroll, it does make sense to put it on the audio cable as an inline control. FYI, one end of the audio cable has a 4.4mm jack and the other has a 3.5mm jack. The 4.4mm jack goes into your headset while the 3.5mm goes into your device or adapter cable depending on your needs. So in summary, the Logitech ASTRO Gaming A10 Gen 2 wired gaming headset is truly a step up from the previous version. They have a lot of similarities but also different in ways that show improvement in design concept. The A10 Gen 2 is lightweight, economical if you compare it to the previous version. It is durable yet bendable. Great production audio and sound, awesome for FPS gaming, and most of all, is comfortable. I'm giving the headset the TOB stamp of approval. Please use the links in the description to buy the headset if you want it. You'll be supporting the channel and the projects I have in the works to improve the presentation and scope of the channel. Included too are links of some of the products I use both on this channel and on the move. Please don't forget to like the video so the algorithm recommends it to others. It won't cost you a thing, but it means a lot to the channel. And now until next time, take care.